Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unstake crypto on Coinbase. And if you've staked a crypto and are ready to unlock it, this quick guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, you want to open your Coinbase app or website and head over to your assets tab, this one. Here, you should see all the list of your crypto holdings. Now, keep in mind, I don't have any assets in this account yet, but here's what it would look like. Now, under your crypto list or your assets list, you want to tap on any crypto. For example, we have your Ethereum. You'll notice how much of your Ethereum is currently at staked or staked. Like in this example, we have 52% is staked. Then you want to scroll down until you see the unstake option. You want to tap it and then select continue to unstake. Then Coinbase will let you know the wait time. For Ethereum, it's usually around 12 to 13 days before your Ethereum becomes fully available again. Now, this delay is part of how the Ethereum network works. Then you want to choose unstake all if you want to remove everything or select a specific amount. Then just tap unstake now to finalize it. After the waiting period, your Ethereum will be unstaked. And that's it. You have successfully unstaked Ethereum on Coinbase. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.